just checked in. We are at the French Quarter of Disney or New Orleans or whatever. And now we're gonna go to the rooms real quick, and then after that, we're gonna try to go to the parks. Wow, look at this view. Oh, it works. Rain outside, so I'm switching from the Pirate Blacks. I mean the zebras to the Pirate Blacks, so I had to switch them because it's all black. I figured it wouldn't get as dirty. You got Mickey Mouse waffle?
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Achilles and his...
So it's such a sad day in Disney that it's raining and we gotta get these damn things. What a waste. But still try to enjoy the day because we got
gifts, and Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list. But she said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, something.
Good to be back in Disney. The hair is completely messed because it's been raining all day. But it's all good in the hood. The rain finally let up, so hopefully we can just enjoy the rest of the day. Fast Pass is amazing, so instead of waiting 1 hour for one ride, we only wait 5 minutes. Alright, back at the, we're at the, basically the resort, the hotel. We're gonna go back to Disney World because hopefully it started raining. And I had to switch to the zebras. Alright, so earlier, man, it was all, basically it was raining all day, all wet, miserable, man. Hair was messed up. I was wearing all white shoes, messed up my Pirate Black Yeezys, man. And you know how pissed I would've been about that. So the whole day was just a mess. Had to go back to the room and regroup and kind of freshen up. And now it's good. But now I bust out the zebras, and hopefully it doesn't rain again. God. But yeah, man, it rained up all day, didn't let up at all, and hopefully just enjoy the rest of the night, man. Wait. Kentucky.
Where?
Kentucky.
Kentucky. We're gonna stay right here, sweetheart. Well, can we turn the flash off? Oh, sorry. We're gonna stay right there.
Whoa.
Grown-ups, come on in.
Thanks. Oh my goodness.
Gotta be gentle. Oh, he's like.
Honey, watch Andrew.
He's so slippery. Folks, I need you to stay behind the magic books.
Would you like to show us some fancy flag-waving moves?
Say yeah. Oh, Andrew. Whoa.
Just pretend you're raising a
Honey,
flag
get him.
like this and wave it around.
Wave it around.
Don, listen, can I get a picture with our newest flag-waving champ?
Okay, closer.
Okay, smile like we're in the winner's circle. On 3. Everybody roadster ready?
1. Look over there. 1,
Andrew.
1, 2, 3. Cheese!
I'm done. And then right here, hi.
Yeah, we got it. For the fireworks at Disney. Enjoy the day. That's basically it, yo. Next tomorrow we're gonna go to Animal Kingdom and go to Clearwater. So peace out. You're wrong. Yo, what up? Another day. We're up here at Animal Kingdom this time, and damn it, it's raining again. I feel like this whole week is gonna rain, which is gonna suck booty because I'm on vacation. But it is what it is. We're with the fam now. Got the nephews with me this time. They're from Florida. They met up with us. They're actually in Clearwater, which we'll be in later. But right now we're going to Animal Kingdom. Hopefully we can enjoy the rest of the day. But damn it, it is raining again. Florida, you suck. Seriously. Why do you have to rain all the time? Anyway, so the main reason I want to go to Animal Kingdom because it's that new Avatar thing that's going on. It's usually about an hour to 2 hour wait. Hopefully it won't be too long, especially now since it's raining. Never been, so we're gonna check it out. Today I got on the black Yeezys, drying. They dried up. Thank goodness had to do some, had to put the air dryer or the hair air dryer on it so dry them up. So it should be a good day. Let's go check it out.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plan, I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no time, no space.
To Pandora, hopefully we'll get on the Avatar ride.
I could be your private island on a different planet.
So 75 more minutes of waiting. Could get fast pass and things, so see you in 75 hours.
Anything could happen. Listen to the words.
Finally, after 1.5 hours of waiting.
Could be your fantasy.
Alright, that's it. I was done with, over with. That was fun. Well worth the hour and a half wait.
Could be your fantasy. Underneath the palm trees, you can leave your worries. Listen to the waves. Say you wanna get so high. Breathe me alive.
Up and get some munchies.
Why you bought them kids? They need a real thing.
Because they're kids.
They're not kids, they're like adults.
So now we're on our way to, we're going over Asia. Man, it's really, we gotta put back on the pontoons because apparently it's supposed to be a storm. Damn it. Thought we were out of the woods, but it don't look like it.
Wish that you could build a time machine so you could see the things no one can see. Feels like you're standing on the
With the niece and nephew. Alright guys.
edge, looking at the stars, wishing you were them. Close the book,
I think the next and final ride we're going on this thing right there. Yep.
Sure you don't want to go in high? Yeah, I'm dipping.
We're going.
I'm dipping.
Dude, you gotta go.
Perfect, have fun, buddy.
Okay, you got it? You good? Ride with the little nephew. He's not scared. We'll see. Maybe I'll do my reaction instead. Look at those mountains. Oh my god! Look at my little man. He's like, whatevs. I'm chilling. Oh snap! Oh, that's really high.
Jacob!
Jacob's fine. It's really high up now. What the? It's broken! What's going on here? Oh, we're going backwards! We're going backwards! He didn't care. Look at this. He's just a face expression the whole time. Just chilling. I'm eating. Alright, end of the night at Animal Kingdom's getting late. Probably not gonna see the Avatar at night because we gotta go and get something to eat. So tomorrow we'll be in Clearwater. So peace out. Animal Kingdom was fun. Probably now that they have the Avatar thing, it's probably the second best park in my opinion. So see you later.